Hi folks, Kevin, Carol, yeah, Carol Katz too, and the Open Basic and East Coast Swing. All right, so you kind of know this from Jitterbug, but basically assume the shopping cart position. Okay, I'm kind of like the rail at a shopping cart. So to get this started, it's basically I'm going to give the shopping cart a little push, and the shopping cart's going to push back. I'm not saying Carol's a shopping cart. We're both on our appropriate feet. We're basically favoring one foot. For me, it's my right. For Carol, it's left. The heel is up on the unweighted foot. So I don't think about trying to coordinate the step back and the push. All I think about is the push. Like for instance, Carol, give me a little bit of a push. Okay, well, that was a bit more of a little bit, but anyway, but you get the idea. So she pushed me, I pushed her back, and go ahead and do it again. And that makes me move myself off my foot. Okay, I don't worry about stepping back. I just worry about pushing. My turn. Okay. The other thing, let's see, some checkpoints. Make sure your elbows are a little bit in front of your body. And you know you're doing this right if your hands stay in more or less the same place between the two of you, okay? So, yeah, a lot of times what I'll see is, let's say Carol will be really stiff here, okay? Let's say she's really gonna be stiff. And if I do this, but she's still pushing back, okay? But a lot of times what I'll see is somebody's really stiff and another person's a locomotive, okay? And so you can see the hands are constantly going from one person to the other. So this is just a little checkpoint that your lead is correct. And it's just taking off, ounces of pressure. So anyway, we get the rock step. Make sure that when you rock back, your heel does not touch the ground. You don't want to be over the back of your foot like that. For God's sakes, this front foot shouldn't be coming up like that. You don't even if you don't weight your heel, you don't want it to drop. You basically are using your leg as a little bit of a spring to come forward. It is important to raise and then put that other foot down to kind of like keep you on tempo. Okay, so then we do the triple step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push and pull. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Real quick, one more review on the triple step. Remember, it's basically the heel is lifted on all of the odd numbers. So let me do it from from here. So when you see this, there's 1, heels up, 1, 2, okay, 3, heels still up, and 4, 5, 6. And that means on the even numbers, the heels dropped. Now when I say drop, I still don't mean your weight's over your heel. You're still biased, your weight's still biased to the front of your foot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Another little bit of review on the triple step is right after that rock step. It either put your foot like a little bit far away if you're gonna do a little equidistant version of this, or you can put your foot right next to it and work it this way. The one thing that you never want to do is to go big right off the bat, because you won't find yourself able to push yourself from side to side, okay? So one more time with the lovely Carol, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And there you go. The East Coast Open Basic.